registering an offence against the lady PSI, whose name has been made viral and who has been blamed in the suicide note by Advocate Jayan Prabhu.
Jayan Prabhu was a respectable lawyer from Margaon. It's very unfortunate जे कितें घडलें आनी ताजे सारक्या एका सिनियर लॉयरान सुसायड करप आनी तातूंत एक लेडी पुलीस ऑफिसराक ब्लेम करप आनी ही हॅज ऑल्सो सेट द टीम अलॉंग विथ दॅट. इट शोज दॅट गोवा पुलीस खंय तरी चुकता. पुलीस ऑफिसराक जेन्ना सुसायड नोटान सिनियर लॉयर हू इज 70 years old हू हॅड अ रेप्युटेशन फॉर एक्सलन्स ताजे सारक्या मनशाक हें अशें बरोवचें पडटा. दॅट शोज हाव पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट इज फंक्शनिंग टुडे. So a very unfortunate incident has to be investigated, and if required, stringent action has to be taken. Offence has to be registered against her for abetment to suicide. If she has done what she has done and what he has said she has done.
So that he is registering an offence against the lady PSI, whose name has been made viral and who has been blamed in the suicide note by Advocate Jayan Prabhu. So that was our premier demand. Because being she was fully aware, I will not say anything about the investigation part of it, but there is ample evidence that how he was constantly being harassed by the lady PSI. That is been told by his junior advocate who was there with him. Because all information they were sharing with her. The son has also said that. So this is wrong on the part. So we demand that proper investigation should be done. See, we only say that fair and impartial investigation should be done in all matters, not only in these matters. Even when the earlier incident has taken place, everything should be fair and impartial. We have never said that to be biased with anybody. Investigation is the main ingredient on which an offence is registered. So now let them conduct proper investigation. That is what our demand is, and they have said that they are registering an offence against us.
So तुम्ही ही केस काबार जाय तुम्ही परफेक्टली तुम्ही सगळं फॉलो अप करीत रावतले in the end?
Yes. We will follow it up.
Yes. Thank you.
मी 24 तारखेर एक ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केल्लो. एकट्यानं कंप्लेन दिली लेडीन की आपल्याक एकटो आपला जो कलीग आपल्या सतायता आनी आपल्या फाटल्यान येता आपल्या मेसेजी धाडटा. आमी ऑफेन्स रजिस्टर केल्लें, तेजें इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसलें. तेन्ना आमी त्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता आसतना आमी आमची लेडी PSI इन्वेस्टिगेशन करताले तेन्ना ड्युरींग द कोर्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशनाक तें गेल्लें तेन्ना त्यांनी त्यांच्या कोण एकट्या त्या एक्युजाच्या बापायन हें केलें की दुसरे दिसा ताणें सुसायड केली. ते म्हणटा की पुलिसान सतायले म्हणून ताणें हें केली आनी तर सुसायडान नोट दवरलो. आमी सद्याक केस रजिस्टर केली आसा आनी आमी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चालू आसा. कितें आसा तें पळयतले, कितें खरें हॅरेसमेंट जाला कितें आसा तें पयलीं आमी केस रजिस्टर केली.
खंयचे पुलीस स्टेशन?
मायना कुर्तोली पुलीस स्टेशन.